today's real estate market, if you're thinking of selling your home, the old ways, the traditional ways of selling real estate doesn't work. Today is August 2018, the market changing. We are always on our innovation. Today, every time the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, one of the reasons why you hire our team is because we have over 30,000 buyers we have in our database. Welcome to our super open house preview. Here you can see within less than 60 minutes, literally, we are bringing to your home over 300 cash buyers. Your home sold guaranteed or outright. To discuss the sale of your home, call 626-789-0159. As an example, there's many more every day in our team. It's going on like this. Over 300, 2, 3, 400, up to 400 buyers coming in all within 60 minutes. 10, 15, 20, 30, up to 50 offers in less than 60 minutes, and the home sold for 50, 100,000, up to 200,000 more money. To discuss the sale of your home, call today. We have over 30,000 buyers, cash buyers in our database looking to buy. Call 626-789-0159 and start packing.